Unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS R10 by mastering the removal of its safety filter, ensuring pristine shots and effortless cleaning. First, ensure your camera is powered off. This is a crucial safety step to prevent any accidental damage to the lens or camera's internal components during the process. Next, gently but firmly grasp the outer rim of the safety filter. Avoid touching the glass surface directly to prevent fingerprints or smudges. Slowly rotate the filter counterclockwise. You should feel it begin to loosen. After a few turns, be patient and apply steady, even pressure. Once the filter is sufficiently loose, continue rotating until it completely detaches from the lens threads. Do not force it if it feels stuck. Carefully lift the filter straight off the lens. Store it in its protective case or a clean, dry, and dust-free environment to prevent scratches and damage. Now your lens is ready for specialized shooting situations or a thorough cleaning. Remember to reattach the safety filter when not needed for protection. Protect your valuable camera equipment.